Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. What's going on YouTube? We're back at it again. Yesterday, me and the family, we went out to the fiance, my dad, and my uncle Blaine. We all went out. We got to watch some Top Fuel action and some Pro Mod stuff, so it was really cool. We had a blast. Today, some of the things we're going to get into, had an order of parts come in. We'll show those to you and let you guys see that stuff. The main project this weekend, we are going to be cutting out the holes in the side of the fenders, or actually kind of slots there in the side of the fenders for the side exit headers to go through. It's going to be a pretty good sized project there for tonight. Hopefully we can get through that. If we get through it, we'll start welding some stuff up. But I hope we have a good time. We'll rock and roll, and let's get after it. Hey guys, just wanted to show you some of the parts that we got in. We made an order through Ames, and we got several things in. One of the things, I know we're still quite a bit of ways from finish our interior stuff out, but I needed to kind of see if we was going to be able to go a direction I want to go in. Anyways, I have a panel that goes from the door opening to the wheel tubs. And this is the original panel that goes in like a stock GTO, and the rear seat would go right here. Well, now I have a wheel tub right there, and I was hoping I was going to be able to use this, and I've got my template right here, and if we lay this over here, I've got plenty of material to cut out over here, and that's going to work out really nice. So this was a really good thing to learn on this. I'm glad that's going to work. So we're going to have some stock interior look to it on the inside of the car, and it's going to look pretty clean. So that was one thing we got. We got a couple other little odds and ends stuff. We got some bushings for inside of our hood, so when the hood goes down, everything stays lined up when it goes down in its final hinged area there. So we got that. We got some emblems in. Our emblem came in for our grill up front. Once we get the front end back on, I'll slap this on there so you guys can see it. Very, very nice emblem. And of course we got our trusty catalog book. I like the catalogs, they got some really nice stuff. And we also got something else here that I'm going to try. I don't know if this is going to work, so we're just going to have to hang tight on this. I got an insert to go inside my dash, and I'm wanting to make a fake cluster to go in here, and we're just going to have to work on this to see how that kind of goes. But I just want to show you guys this stuff. I think it's going to look pretty cool, and we're going to keep on rocking and rolling. Well guys, we're having ourselves a little pizza break right now. Little man's in the car. What do you think, man? That's right. But right now we're marking the side of the fenders up. We get done on our break there. We are going to trim all this out. That way it'll be slotted, and there'll be a small piece here that'll stay mounted to the car, so it'll keep that hole right there all plugged up, so it won't be this big gaping hole right here when you look at it from the side. But we've got that marked. We're gonna get done with our pizza here, and then we're gonna get to cutting. All right, guys, we got our cutoff wheel. We're gonna start doing some cutting. We're going to use the cutoff wheel to cut up to about this point right here. Then we're going to use another cutter that I've got to try to make this radius cut here. I want to try to make the least amount of cuts as possible on this, so I don't have to mar up this metal, because I really need to reuse this backside back there. So I'm going to try to keep this metal in the best shape as possible and cut this out, and then we'll move on to the other side and cut it as well. Let's rock and roll. this thing out, guys. Man, this thing is just looking more and more wicked every weekend. We now have our slot cut out on the side there. There's still tons and tons of work that's got to go into this. This weekend is just a good stopping point right here. What we got, it now fits on, so we can get it all, everything's all Zeus fastened up right now. But this area right in here will get filled in. What will happen, there will be a piece that mounts to the car. Now they'll have some pieces that'll weld back in there. They'll just help cover up this big gap right in here. That way, you know, the fenders will still have this big long slot, but there'll be a recessed piece just to help cover all that up. And when you slide all this off, you know, it'll all look real nice and clean there. But it's coming along really nice. Definitely got to thank my fiance Hannah and Jesse Gardner and Dylan Woodfin for helping us out there. Definitely want to thank Blaine Kilby for talking me through on how to line all this up to get all the cut right, and how to measure these things out. I know you guys saw that in the footage there on our lines before we cut it and then how we cut it out, but he helped me a bunch on squaring all that up, making sure both sides looked the same and it would fit, and it did. It worked out really nice, so thank him again for helping me there and give me some advice on how to handle that. But we're coming to a close here tonight. I just kind of want to give you guys a walkthrough. I've had several people comment on the motor, wanting to see more footage of the motor so you can see it better. Now that the hinges are working good for the hood, and yes, the hood does work. It's sitting up on its own now. I just want to give you guys some more details there so you guys can see it. I want to thank a gentleman who helped me find these valve covers. Yes, they are Pontiac Big Chief valve covers, and he hooked me up and helped me find those a few months back, so definitely want to thank that guy. But feeling really good where we're sitting at right now. Everything's kind of looking pretty nice. We've got a lot of things going on. I definitely want to point out those headers, man. Look at all that twisting up in there, how crazy all that looks right there. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This thing is looking great, looking good. Definitely want to thank you guys so much for tuning in with us. Keep hitting that share button, keep hitting that like button. Definitely stay tuned for next week's video. We'll definitely hope to have more done here on these slots here, and I'll definitely talk to my dad on making us some pieces that's going to go like a border around all this, just to stiffen all that up and make that look real nice. But until next time, guys, y'all have a good one and take care.